Yazi bala asibala bala ngiphethe lami nje isho ngomsindo nje yazi lenza kanjani lethi hayi lethi hayi shukuthi bala.
Guys, such behavior is unacceptable. Such barbarism and hooliganism is unacceptable. Manifuna ukutrendani kahle. Ningasuki lapha nisuke khona nibheme lento enibhemayo lama drugs eniwadlayo neintsanga enidlayo bese lapha nizodakala abantu ababhizi abasebenza emsebenzini. Leli phara lentombazane lisuka lapha lisuka khona lithwala ishwapha sayo ne hairline ebheda ayitshekile eshodayo nje futhi uyahamba uyecheckers uyosukela istaff uyogibela phezulu kwama counter. Kuhlala ukudla la. Kuthenga abantu la. The next thing staff la masimshaya o masimrafula simmenhandlile thina sithi justice for sibanibani. Leli phara lentombazane mangabe kubo umthetho awukho somfaka thina umthetho mangabe kubo abamkhuzi mangabe kubo abambuyisa emgqini bafaka emgqini somfaka thina manifuna ukutrenda guys trendani kahle msana ukutrenda ngamasimba. This girl uyasuka lapha suka khona naleshwapha sakhe because she wants likes, she wants to be seen. Ugibela phezulu kweaccount istaff manje sesiyeke ukusebenza sesinakani naye west part siyamkhuza akakhuzeki nangina bayamkhuza akakhuzeki uyaqhubeka uyajiva wenza lento ayenzayo manifuna ukutrenda guys trendani kahle mangabe nina kini abanikhulisi ngomthetho nangenhlonipho msana ukudelela abanye abantu istaff sesechecka sesiyasebenza kuyasuka lokho uyiphara lokho kuzogibela phezulu kwama counter kuyajiva kukhosi havoc nje and unnecessary nonsense. Mangabe nifuna ukutrenda trendani kahle abona lento enokudakelwa abantu ayikho right.
I came across a creator's video by the name of Shantae who was dancing on the checkers counter and she thought it was cool because she wanted to trend. She wanted to chase clout. Meanwhile, it was very disrespectful because people put their groceries on the counter. Yes, they may clean those counters. However, why are you dancing on top of counters? In checkers, like, make it make sense. Do you really want to trend that bad? And I saw another video of hers trying to dance in checkers, right? And then a staff member or a cashier asked her to stop, and the cashier tried to block the camera for her not to dance in checkers, but the girl just continued because she felt like she's on top of the world. She's so untouchable because of content. She wants to trend. She wants to be relevant. That was very disrespectful. Some of you content creators are so weird. You do anything to chase clout. Any damn thing. Some of you guys even include other people in your vlogs. I don't understand why do you think it's okay for you to include people in your vlogs. People you don't know, people who don't want to be in your vlogs. Go do your shopping. If you want to take your videos, but don't involve people. Don't include people, I mean. Do you even know how Puppy Act works? Familiarize yourself with it. Stop including people who don't want to be included in your vlogs. Ask people if they feel comfortable being in your vlogs. If not, don't include them. Thank you very much.
Kwengena manje ke uCheckers uphawulile ngalodaba and yeah, it doesn't look good guys. It doesn't look good at all. Okubhlungu nje ukuthi staff singangena enkingeni and someone might lose their job even if this goes further because uCheckers uthe udaba uzolithumela kubantu abafanele and yeah bazodila nayo ngendlela abadila nayo ngayo because such behavior it doesn't align with their standards and it tainter brand as iCheckers. So yeah, asazi let's hope ukuthi bazomvulela icase lomntwana because whatever ayenzile it was more like icala because you can't just nje climb i-counter and ujive kuye mongamosha laphana. So it's more of a damage of property. So nje ngale bangamvulela icala, this should be a lesson kuye ukuthi mawuphapha mawungena nkuliso nemfundiso right mawungena ama morals mawungena ama values and you lack respect, such things happen. Ukuphapha kufuneki all in the name of creating content or wanting to trend. So nje isifiso sami ukuthi ngathi bangayithatha le ndaba bayise phambili because now staff might even get in trouble, be it security, cashier, maybe store manager. So nje people might lose jobs because of umntana ophaphayo nje ophaphayo osuke la so khona ebhemele into eyibhemayo azobhedela abantu. So yeah guys, the latest update yikho lokho ukuthi Checkers uthe udaba.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. There is a viral video that's circulating lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yemntwana well 2000 ubonakala jiva ku-counter lapha eCheckers utijayivela nje utendela i-challenge yakubo TikTok wabala uyajiva. She doesn't even care about people, she doesn't care ukuthi lapha kubekwa kudla, like it's like nje bekadibona ngazuthi uyi-one lapha esitolo atijayivela. Abantu abaningi bayigceke kakhulu le video lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana, basho ukuthi ikhombisa kucelela nokungahloniphi nokuphapha njena because yini lento loyendako. Honestly speaking uyibona i-right lento, usuke endlini wathi Checkers namhla ngi-Checkers ngiyogibela counter ngishaya i-challenge girl uthe noma khudwa lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ukuthi le video wrong, ayikhombisi kuhlonipha, ayikhombisa kuphapha nokuhlatima. Akayikhiphanga-ke ugele still ikhona isasabalala lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana, and people are really saying ukuthi iyaba-annoya le video. Iphendule ili-Checkers ngemva kokuthi abantu abaningi bayitheke bakhombise kungajabuli, yasho ukuthi itothatha tincumo letifanele todila nebantu accordingly kesana. This is so sad because ngenteka lapha ngebantu balahlekelwe umsebenzi wabo because of this girl, because yena bekenti challenge afuna kutrenda ku-TikTok baze beta batomkhuta kokuthi ayibugele sicela usehlele kwaba ngikhani ugele nako nje lokho ukuthi adecide kuyiposta leya video lapha ku-TikTok, wahlala vele wayi-uploada wayisave kahle wayifaka ku-TikTok. Abayibona lento ukuthi iyaqasula iyanyanyisa. Ayi angathi sibinzi ngokuthi usithathe phe ngoba ama-2K inkosi yami. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.